Hello, everyone. Welcome to this last video on the UCX table migration process. For this one, we will execute the last required terminal command, and then we will be able to finally execute the migrate tables workflow. So let's begin. As I mentioned, the first step is to execute one last command. That is the create catalogs and schemas command, which, like its name says, will create the catalogs and the schemas required to perform the migration. If you remember on the first video, we configured the mapping for the migration, where we changed a CSV file and added new catalogs and schemas that need to be created as part of the migrations for the new tables to land. Once this process is finished, we'll be able to see the catalogs and schemas on the workspace, which will let us know that we are now able to trigger the migration workflow. So let's get into it. I'm executing the command here in my terminal using my profile for authentication on the workspace. Once we execute this command, UCX will take the information from the mapping CSV, create the catalogs and the schemas, and then confirm success. So let's wait for this to finish. Okay, so now this command is asking me for a configuration. In this case, I need to provide a storage location URL for the catalog that will be created. You can provide your own custom external location as part of the ones created during the migration process. In this case, I'll leave it as default. So you can see now it's creating the catalog for the managed tables. And now it's asking me the same question for the external tables catalog that will be created. Again, you can modify this. I'll leave it as default. Great. So as we can see from the output of the execution, it created both the catalogs as well as the schemas. So let's check if the new catalogs are in place. We can see that now we have two extra catalogs called UCX Migrated Catalog External and Managed. And inside those catalogs, we will have their respective schemas where the tables will land for the migration. Awesome. Everything seems to be in place. Now we only have one last step, which is to execute the migrate tables command. In this case, the workflow that we need to execute is this one right here. You can see there are other workflows to migrate tables. Those are experimental jobs. So make sure that you only execute the one that you need. For more information on what these other workflows do, please check the docs on the repo. So I'll trigger this to run now. Now, this may take a while since we need to wait for the cluster to start, but once ready, it will perform the migration of those Hive Metastore tables into the new Unity catalogs and schemas. Okay, so time has passed, the workflow ran successfully, and now we can check if the tables were migrated correctly. So let's go and take a look over the catalogs. Okay, so we have the catalogs we created in the previous step, as well as the schemas. And as you can see, everything seems to be fine. We have the tables migrated to their respective catalogs and schemas. We can also check the UCX migration main dashboard, which shows the status of the tables, as well as the Unity catalog table they were upgraded to. So you can see here, data migration progress, we have migrated 2 out of 2, so the percentage now is 100%. And if we scroll down further, we can see the detail of the tables, upgraded status, and then to where those were upgraded to. With this, we have concluded with the table migration process using UCX end-to-end. Thank you.